So, okay, right, everyone have joined. Okay, very good, everyone. Good evening, Amrit. Okay, so today is our first foundation class, right? Akash is also here. सब अपना अपना नोटबुक लेके बैठो, ठीक है, राइट? बिकॉज फाउंडेशन में थोड़ा सा लिखना पड़ेगा, सुनना नहीं है सिर्फ, ठीक है? सो प्लीज कीप योर नोटबुक विथ यू, ओके, राइट? ओके, now when we talk about this foundation, right, so हम लोगों ने already थोड़ा बहुत बताया कि हम लोग क्या पढ़ाने वाले हैं, but today before starting any topic I will give you a brief idea that what all we are trying to cover in this. Now, how many of you know that foundation, whenever we talk about foundation, especially ninth, it is not just ninth, it is ninth and 10th, it is a continuation, okay? So the topic that we keep, it is for both 9th and 10th, है ना? तुम लोग को मॉड्यूल मिला होगा, so उसमें 9th 10th लिखा हुआ है, right? Because it is a course which is continued from 9th to 10th, okay, right? Now when we talk about maths, ठीक है, or physics, so we know that these two subjects are intuitive. How many of you know what is the meaning of intuitive? Tell me. What's the meaning of intuitive? Means you have to think, right? You cannot, no one can say this is the method, you do this and you'll get the answer, right? Intuitive means which is thought provoking, right? Okay, for example, if I'm saying what is the value of this, wait, I'll just write down something, okay? If I'm saying what's the value of this, x plus 5 is equal to 2, okay, so this is not, this is very easy, right? This is very easy. Okay, sir, x is equal to 2 minus 5, so x will be equal to minus 3, right? So this is very simple. This is very basic level 1 problem that we have studied till class 6th, 7th, in 8th also, right? Right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Just give me a minute. Okay, sorry. Yeah, right. But if I asked you a different problem, right, which you might not answer, okay, or if I ask you something like this, x to the power 4 minus x cube is equal to 0, right? Okay, okay, now I'm not asking you to solve it, I'm just saying, right, this is also equation, this is also an equation, okay, this is also an equation, right? But in this equation, obviously the power is different, it is basically different from your linear equation, but this is also equation that we can solve. So I can say, if you understood, if anyone who understood the basic concept of solving equations, they can solve it, right? That is your intuition, okay, right? If you know the concept, how to apply the concept. So I can say intuition is basically the application, how to apply the concept that we learn, right? Clear? And basically think about, yes, and think about the different type of problems that can be asked based on the concept, right? So in this foundation, we will be focusing on those things. Okay. Now, when we talk about the topics that we will be covering, so let's write it down. Now, till class 9th or till class 8, I can say my math is divided into mainly algebra, geometry, or if I say until class 9th, you all are in 9th, so I can say till 9th, okay. Maths is divided into, tell me, when you talk about maths,
Geometry.
algebra,
Geometry.
yes, very good, geometry, then mensuration means area, volume, and all those things, okay? And tell me, statistics, right? Data handling, you have studied data handling in class 7th, or tell me 7th, and 8th also. But when you talk about higher grades, okay, when you talk about higher grades, math is divided into different topics. Okay, when you talk about higher grade, math is divided into, first is algebra is there. Algebra is there. Now, instead of geometry, right, we have something called coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Okay, let's try to understand what are the topics that we have to see for higher grades. Okay, then we don't have mensuration or statistics if you are talking about higher grades. Okay, but we have something called calculus. Okay, and in this calculus also there are two different topics. One is differential calculus and second is integral calculus. Okay, so these are just the topics, right? These are the next topic. Okay, then we have trigonometry. No, metry. Okay, and we have one more topic which is basically called as vectors and 3D. Vector and 3D. Okay, so these are the topics that is there in higher grades. Okay, so they go how less we study till class 10, right? We just study bit of algebra, right? And bit of trigonometry, and then we study mensuration and, tell me, statistics. Okay, now, no, Amrita, you don't have to note it down for now, just write it down. Okay, now again, Shivansh, vector is actually a topic of maths which is used in physics. Take care, right? We will see that calculus, vectors, trigonometry, coordinate geometry, right? Everything is used in physics. It is actually a part of maths which is used of physics. Take care. Okay, right? Now, see, what we are trying to do is we will cover some topics, not all, because obviously it is depending on you guys, right? How fast you can learn. Okay, so there's no hard and fast thing for class 9. It is totally depending on your pace, right? Hannah? Yes, Sanvi, right? Foundation. See, again, it is basically the classes, right? So basically, we'll be talking about mainly maths as well as physics. Okay, because they are more or less they are the subject which we have to think a lot. Okay, right? Because when you talk about bio or chemistry, it is not that intuitive. You have to remember that's it. But when you talk about physics and chemistry, maths, you have to think. You have to be intuitive. Your critical thinking and application, right, should be more. Okay, that's the main aim of this foundation.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so see, we will talk about some topics of algebra, some topics of calculus, some topics of trigonometry. So the topics that we will be studying in maths, first we will talk about maths, right? Maths. Okay, so the first topic, which is basic introduction. Okay, right? Introduction. Now, when you talk about introduction, right, you will not find this chapter anywhere in your textbook or in higher grades also. Okay, so introduction means just some topics which you cannot find, but they are used. Okay, so in introduction, we have a topic called as logarithm. First topic is logarithm. Okay, right? The second topic is, tell me about graphs. Graphs. Okay. Okay. No, Shafan, you don't have to note it down now. Okay. Then after this is your first topic. First. Then after this, we will be covering. Yes. Okay. After this, we'll be covering a topic called as trigonometry. You might have heard of this, Hannah? Trigonometry, right? Then we will cover a topic called as differentiation. Okay, right? Then we will cover, or we will not cover in detail, right? We'll cover whatever we can understand, ठीक है? Right? ऐसा नहीं कि मैं formality के लिए तुमको पूरा पढ़ा दूं, जितना समझ में आएगा हम लोग उतना करेंगे, because these all are the topics that we'll study in both 9th and 10th. Okay, then basics of integration, basics. Okay, then how many of you know about linear equations? Raise your hand. How many of you know about linear equations? Raise your hand, everyone. Yes, everyone know, na? Everyone know what is linear equations, right? So in the same way, we have something called as linear inequation. Linear inequation. Inequation. Okay, we'll see what is inequation, right? Then we have a topic called as quadratic equation. Quadratic. Right? And then we have a topic which is permutation and combination. And combination. So these are the topics that we will be covering in maths. Okay. Now, depending on your speed, we might cover some more, but these are the minimum topics that we will be covering. Okay. Right? So we'll be covering logarithm, then basics of graph, trigonometry, differentiation, integration, linear equation, quadratic, and permutation combination. Okay. Okay. ये सब कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? This is just in maths section. Maths. Okay. Right? Okay.
Okay.
When
Yes,
we
sir.
talk about physics, when we talk about physics, and do not get, I do not think that these are hard or these are hard or anything difficult. No, it's easy. It is very easy. Everything is easy. You have to think like everything is easy. I just have to give some effort. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no, right?
Yes.
Is anything that you
Yes,
do?
sir.
Yes, Shivansh, don't worry. Okay. In foundation module, there are only two topics. I'm teaching extra. Don't worry about that. Okay. So most of the modules are based on NTSC, okay, which is SAT and MAT. Don't worry about that. Now, when you talk about physics, the first topic that we'll be studying in physics is vectors, right? Vectors. Okay, right? Then after vectors, we will study motion. That we will be studying in physics also in your normal class, right? But we will study in detail because when you talk about motion in class 9, it is only in one dimension, linear motion. So we talk about motion in one dimension and two dimension and two dimension. Okay, which will include your circular motion also, right? Then the next topic that we'll be talking about is force. Force, right? That is in your syllabus also, but we'll study in detail. So when you talk about force, we'll study Newton's law of motion in detail. Newton's law in detail. है ना? Clear here? Right? Sanvi, wait, I'll just respond. Then we will be having what? Work power energy. Work power energy. Again, this is also in your syllabus, right? But we'll study this in much detail. Okay. Then after this, we will study about waves. Waves. Okay, right? Okay, and a bit about heat. Now, these are the plan, but depending on your speed, we compulsory finish these 4 chapters. These 2 chapters will be finished depending on how fast you guys are learning. Okay, right? Okay. Now, when you talk about chemistry, so chemistry, we have structure of atom, right? That is in your syllabus. I hope all of you have gone through your syllabus. This chapter is in your syllabus, right? So we'll study this in detail. And the second chapter is mole concept. This is also in your syllabus. Yes or no? This is also in your syllabus, right? Now, these are the compulsory topics that we finish. Plus, apart from that, we will finish some topics of math, right? Mental ability. Okay, mental ability. Right? So mental ability, we will solve different kind of problems. We'll see some tips and tricks. Okay, clear here? Clear? Anyone have any doubt?
Clear, sir.
Right.
No, sir.
Okay, right. So now we will start. I hope all of you got the idea that what we are going to cover, right? How it is useful. Okay.
Yes,
Bio,
sir.
bio, right? Bio, sir will teach in class itself because bio is more of remembering, mugging up. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Chalo. So we will start. Let's start. I hope all of you are ready. है ना? Ready with your notebook? So let's start a topic called as logarithm. How many of you heard of this word logarithm? Raise your hand. How many of you have heard of this word? Anyone? So three students have raised their hand. 4. Rohit, Shivansh, Samarth, Varsha, right? Okay, in graph book. Okay. So whenever we talk about a topic, I hope all of you have heard about exponents and radicals. Exponent
Yes, sir.
and radicals. This was in our class 7th, 8th, right? So we had a problem like this. If we have 2 to the power x, if this is equal to 8. So what's the value of x, guys? Tell me, everyone. This can be solved by everyone, right? Yes, very good, everyone. Very good, Shivansh. Correct. No, Amrit. The 2 to the power x is equal to, now 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. Yes, Mohil. Yes, Varsha. Very good. So it is 2 to the power 3. So see, power is same. So we can equate this. That is the property of, right? No, property of exponents and radicals. So I can say x is equal to 3. Easy enough. Easy enough. Very good, Shreya. Very good, Chapan. Very good, Ramvi. Okay, easy enough. This is clear. Hi, Anna.
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Okay, but if I ask, okay, if I ask what is the value of 2 by x is equal to 7, tell me. If I ask what is the value of 2 power 7, 2 power x equal to 7. Anyone? Can we write it? Now, can we write in terms of 2 into 2 into 2? Think about it. What
No.
we have learned, right? No.
no, sir.
And no, we cannot because 7 cannot be converted in 2 into 2 into something. Wait, guys. Hi, Anna. Tell me. I need the. I'm audible, guys. Am I audible? I hope.
Yes.
Am I?
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Good, very good, right? I'm clearly audible. Everyone is hearing me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So
sir.
what is x, guys? Here, tell me what is x? What is x? X is power, no? Tell me, x is power? Yes or no? X is power, right? Right, everyone? And what is 2? Tell me, what is 2?
Base, sir.
Radical.
Very good. But what is 7? 7 is the value, right? Value of 2 by x is 7. Okay, so I'll just write as value. Yes, very good. So I can say, okay, sir, I am having 3 things over here. I'm having power, I'm having base, and I'm having value, right? Now, I want to find the value of power. I want to find the value of power, right? How to do it? How to do it, right? So I need to think what to do about this. I need to find the value of power, which means I need to use value and base, right? Somehow I need to use these two and I want to find the value of power. Okay, now let's think about it. Let's think about it. If I'm giving you this 2, 5 is equal to, now here, depending on what operator we use, right? We can get different values. Yes or no. For example, if I'm saying 2 plus 5, what I'll get? Very
7.
simple.
7.
7. Yes, if I'm saying 2 into 5, then
10.
10.
10. Very good. Very good. So I can say, sir, depending on this, and what are these plus, right? What are these? Tell me, what are these? If I'm
Symbols.
saying this, tell me.
Operations.
Operational symbols.
Exactly. So I can say, okay, these are the operations, right? And every of these sign, every of this operation have a specific job. Yes or no? Hi, Anna.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right?
sir.
If I have to add something, I use addition operator. If I have to subtract something, I'll use subtraction operator. Now, don't you think that here I need to convert power into a linear form? And this is a linear form. I want to find the value of x is equal to something. So I want to convert it into linear form. So there should be some operator. Don't you think? Kuch to hona chahiye, bhai. There should be some operator.
Yes,
Agree?
sir.
Right? Yes, Inchara, Raghavi, Adarsh, Akash, Anvita.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, exactly. So here, right, here we have our hero, which is log, right? Log is our hero over here, right? Anna. So what is log? Log is an operator. Hannah, log, I can say log is an operator, right? Yes or no? Now, whenever we talk about this operator, it relates 2 and 5. Yes or no? It relates two different, tell me, two different values and give me a meaningful value depending on what is the action of operator. है ना? So in the same way, log is an operator and log will relate which two? Tell me. Log will relate which two values? Now, we need to find the value of x. So which two values we will have? 7 and 2, right? है ना? So I have to relate it, right? I have to relate it. So I write it like this. Log 7 and here base 2, right? This just representation, है ना? This is just representation. So we write base at the tail of g, right? We'll just write base at the tail of g. Okay. So it is a representation. X is equal to log 7 base 2, right? So I can generalize it and I can say, okay, sir, if I'm having any exponent, which is a to the power x is equal to c, है ना? Right? So I can find the value of x in terms of a and c using an operator which is called as log, right? Now x is equal to log value which is c, base a, base here, base is a, base is always at the niche, base is niche wala term, right? Base is niche, base niche rahega. Clear hai? Yes or no? हाँ या ना? यहाँ तक समझ में आ सबको? हाँ तक.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
So what is the value of log? What's the meaning of log? Right? Okay. You don't need any animation or any kind of thing to understand that, right?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, log means operation, no, sir.
Yes.
Then only plus, minus, and multiplication and division will only come, sir.
No. Plus, minus, multiplication, they are the operators, right? So obviously, okay, there are many operators, na, right? Plus, minus, multiply, divide, these are the fundamental operators, but obviously there are many operators, many. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So log gives the value of power, right? I can just write this. Log gives the value of power, the value of power. Okay, got it. So whenever you see log, what is the meaning? Sir, it is the value of power. Okay. For example, if I'm saying like this, x is equal to log, okay, 27 base 3, right? So what's the meaning of this? Tell me, what is the meaning of this?
So 27 raised to the power 3 raised to the power x makes 27.
Exactly, because this is the base, right? This is the base. So I can write like this, 3, and this is the power. This is power. X is equal to 27. So both are same, na? Hai ki nahi? It is just a representation. This is power, right? And this is base. Hai na? Right? Clear? So yes, I can write like this. So x will be equal to 3 now. Yes or no? Everyone got this concept? Everyone. I'm asking each and everyone to understand each and every concept, right? If anyone is having any kind of issue, please let me know. Okay?
Sir, I didn't understand the last step.
Can you repeat, sir?
See, here 3 to the power x is equal to 27 now. If I'm writing 8 by x is equal to c as x is equal to log c base a, can I write the opposite also? Right? Because both are interconvertible. Now I can write this into this form, or I can write this into this form. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? So here I have given you in this form. I have given you in this form, in form of log, and I converted into powered form. Clear? So I can convert log form into powered form. So here I've converted this log form into powered form to find the value of x. Okay? Clear here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Chalo. Now, so I guess this is clear, everyone. Anyone is having any doubt in this? So suppose we have a very small basic question, right? X is equal to log 16 base 2. Tell me, what's the value of x? X is equal to what? Everyone. Quickly.
2.
2 to the
Two.
power of x equal to 16.
Message.
The value of x is 2.
Message, because everyone has to solve, no, right? Message your answer, because I don't know who is speaking. Very good, Varsha, correct. Very good, Rohan. Shreya, no, wrong. Tejas, wrong. Think about it. Shivansh, correct. Sanvi, correct. Adarsh, correct. Varsha Patil, correct. Gauss, correct. Rohit, wrong. Pratika, wrong. Think about it. Shirish, correct. Mohil Varman, wrong. No, Nishka. Yes, Raghavi, correct. Varun, correct. Yes, Samarth. Akash, correct. No, Tejas, wrong. Amrit, wrong. Rohit, correct. Piyush, wrong. No, Mohil, wrong. Think about it, right? No, Nishka, wrong. Think about it. First, convert it into exponent form. No? So it is base. It is base. This is base. Base. Very good, Shreya. This is power. Everyone. This is power. And this is value. Very good, Amrit, correct. So it is what? 2 to the power x base to the power is equal to 16 value. Hai na? Yes, Anvita, correct. Right? So if 2 to the power x is equal to 16, right? It is 2 to the power x, na? So 16 can be written as what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is 2 to the power 4. Now tell me, what is the value of x?
4.
4.
4. So x is equal to 4. Yes or no? I hope everyone got this now. Everyone got this now? Raise your hand. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone got this. Now it is clear. Okay,
sir.
shall we solve one more problem?
Yes, sir.
Right,
Yes,
let's
sir.
solve one more problem. Okay, this is problem number 2. Right, easy, easy. Everything is easy. If you think that it is easy, then it will become easy. Right? First, you have to understand, right? If you don't get, ask. है ना? भगवान ने मुंह किस लिए दिया है? Why we have given mouth? To eat and to speak, right? Yes or no? है ना? Right? Here you can just use your hand also to message, right? So if you're shy, you can just message, you can just type. Okay. Now let's think about it. Let's see who can solve it. Find the value of x. X is equal to log 1 by 81 base 3. Let's see who can solve this. Let's see. Basic. Same concept is used. Same concept is used. I'm just using the concept, basic definition. That's it. Nothing else. Think about it. Very good, others. Correct. No, Varsha. That's wrong. Samarth, correct. Yes, Tejas, that expression is correct. Shivansh, that's wrong. Sangvi, wrong. Rohit, small mistake. Varsha, wrong. Akash, wrong. Mohil, small mistake. Shreya, correct. Rohit, correct. Amrit, wrong. Rohan, small mistake, right? Yes, Sami, that expression is correct. Mohil, again, mistake, small mistake. Raghavi, small mistake. Power concept of exponents and radicals, right? Shafan, correct. Piyush, that is correct. What is the value? Yes, Raghavi, correct. Anvita, what is your answer? Rohit, correct. Varsha, correct now. Boss, wrong. Shirsha, correct now. Right, very good. ठीक है, अभी बहुत लोग correct है. Nishka, wrong. Anvita, that 3 to the power x, 3 to the power x, right? So let's see. First, convert it into exponent form. है ना? I guess this is easy. Everyone would have converted into exponent form. So this is base. This is base. Again, जो नीचे रहता है, that is your base, right? So base is 3. 3 is your base. Now this is power x, and this is 1 by 81. 1 by 81. Now, how many of you remember this? That 1 by, remember the concept from class 7?
81 to the power of -1, sir.
Yes, very good. Extra minus 1. Yes or no? This is the concept that we should remember from the concept of exponents, right? So 3 to the power x, can we write it like this? -1, and then 81 is basically 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3, 3, 9, 3, 27, 3, 81. So it is 3 to the power 4. 4 into -1. So we know the property x to the power a. We know this property, right? X to the power a whole power b is equal to x to the power a into b. Yes or no? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shivans, correct. So now I guess
Yes,
all
sir.
3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power -4. Now, easy? Tell me, x equal to -4. Easy? Got it? So everyone checked your mistake? Anna, everyone checked your mistake? What mistake you were doing? Yes, ठीक है. चलो, क्लियर हो गया? सबको समझ में आया? ये सबको समझ में आया? हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Akash, correct. It was correct. Most of you gave correct answer. So these are the level 1 problem. This is Mohil. I'll explain which step you couldn't get. Tell me which step. First, second, third, fourth, which step? Tell me. So see, in first step, what we did, right? First step, we just converted this log into exponent form. Now we use this property na, that 1 by x, if I'm saying any number, right, 1 by x in terms of exponent, it is x to the power -1. This is the property that we used, right? It is the property that we have studied in class 7th as well as 8th. So 1 by 81 can be written as 81 to the power -1. This is the property of exponents. Got it? Shivansh, wait, patience, right? You should have patience, right? ठीक है, सब पता चलेगा, टेंशन मत लो. Okay, so clear? Mohil, understood the second step now, right? Okay, now, so this is type 1. I hope all of you understood what is the basic. Anvita, okay. In step 3, 81, if you talk about 81, 81 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3, 3, 3 into 3, 9 into 3, 27 into 3, 81. So 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4. That also we have studied in exponential articles of chapter 7, sorry, of grade 7, right? Yes? Okay. And then
Yes, sir.
again, we use the property of exponential radicals. The properties that we used was x to the power a whole power b can be written as x to the power a into b. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Yes, very good, very good, very good, everyone. Anvita, clear? If anyone getting any doubt, please ask, right? Do not
Yes,
hesitate
sir.
to ask doubts. Okay, right? है ना? ठीक है? Okay, very good. Clear? Now, let's solve one more
Okay.
problem. So, okay. Now tell me if I'm saying 10 and 100. Think about it. This is again critical thinking. Between 10 and 100, remember this concept. I will use this concept, right? I'm giving you a hint of a problem that I'm going to give at the end of the class, right? How many digit number, right? I'm not asking about how many numbers. I'm asking how many digit numbers will exist between 10 and 100. Tell me, how many digit number?
So 2.
Two digits.
Yes, very
Two
good.
digits.
Correct, very good. And between 100 and 1000,
2.
So 3.
3.
3. So I can say
Three.
okay, 3 digit. And between 1000 and 10,000,
4. 4.
okay. So can you find a pattern over here? See how easy concepts, how so easy concept is used in very good problem. I'll use this concept. Like, can I say that, okay, if I'm having 10 to the power 4 and 10 to the power 5, the number of digits, right, will be 5 or 4? Tell me, 5 or 4?
5.
5
4.
na? 5 na? See, 10, 100 is 2. 100,000 is 3. Right? Anna? So it is this power, right? Because 10 is 10 power 1, 100 is 10 power 2, this is 100 10 power 3, and this is 10 power 4, right? Yes? Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Mohil,
Yes.
clear? Okay. Now, can I say in general, can I say that, okay, sir, I'll generalize this. If I'll say that, okay, if I'm having 10 to the power any power n and 10 to the power n plus 1, right? N is any variable, right? And this is the next variable. So the number of digits between these two will be, tell me,
N
number of
plus
digits,
1.
n plus 1. Very good. Hi, Anna. Yes or no? Everyone got this concept? Raise your hand. Very good, Varsha.
Yes, sir.
Right? Everyone raise your hand. Anyone who didn't get, please ask. Okay. Clear? Clear, everyone? Yes? Easy? Easy है कि
Yes,
नहीं?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Easy.
sir.
This is right. Okay. Everyone remember this concept. I'm telling you, when you talk about like studies, it is not difficult. It is just that we don't think. है ना? Let's see who can solve this problem, right? I'll ask a problem which will use this concept. That's why I'm telling you now. Okay? Chalo. Now, someone asked me that how to find the value of logs. So first of all, we don't have to find the value of all the logs. That's the first thing, because there's some guy, right, who did all the effort, who did everything, and he calculated it. Okay? So हमें नहीं करना है. We just need to know the values. For example, मैं बताता हूँ. Just say when we talk about powers, okay? So we have 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, and so on. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So if I'm writing
Yes,
10
sir.
Yes, sir.
is equal to y, tell me 10 to the power x is equal to y. So what can I write in terms? Can I convert this into log? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes, sir.
So I can write x is equal to what? X is equal to log
Log
y
y by
with
x.
5 by
10, na? 10, 10 space. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So this is called as common logarithm. Common logarithm. Common logarithm. So generally we try to convert. Generally we try to convert anything in power of 10 because it is easy to find anything in power of 10. Yes or no? Hi Anna. Think about it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's easy.
Right? No, because we can relate it. We can relate with 10 because again it gives us reference 10, 100, 200, and those things. Now, my question is why we need to discover this log, right? How it is used, where it is used. Before talking more about this, we should know, na, bhai, ye hai to kyun use kahan hota hai? Yes or no? Now, do you think suppose you are a scientist, right? Or you are an engineer and you want to do something. Can you find any practical use of this? Tell me. Think about it. Or have you ever knowingly or unknowingly used this concept? Not this, but anything which uses this concept. Shafan, right? I'm not going into inverse function or something
Like the less of the smallest particles.
okay. So now see this. I'll give you more insight into this. What is 10 to the power 1? If I convert this into log, can I say that, okay, sir, 10 power 1 is equal to 10? Think about it. So it is what? 1 is equal to log 10 base 10. Yes or no? Hi, Anna.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Think
Yes,
about
sir.
it. Think about it, right? So 10 to the power 2 is equal to what? 100, right? So can I say, okay, sir, if I have to convert into log, it will be 2 log 100 base 10? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Think about it. Think where I'm going. So if when I say, okay, 6 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is just 6 is equal to log 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 base 10. Yes or no? Hi, Anna.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, suppose you want to measure something. Suppose you want to measure something, right, whose values can be as less as 10 to the power minus 2 and as big as 10 to the power 10. Think about it. Suppose you want to measure something, you want to calculate something whose value can be as less as 10 to the power minus 2 and as big as 10 to the power 10, right? Can you use your normal scale? Tell me, can you use your normal scale? Think about it.
No,
Can you
sir.
use the millimeter scale? See how big scale you need to get, right? Think about it. Hi, Anna. So when you talk about your normal scale, right? When you talk about normal scale, it should be from 10 to the power minus 2 up to 10 to the power 10. So see how big this value is. 10 to the power minus 10, then 10 to the power minus 1, right? Again 10 units, then again 10 to the power 0, 10 units, then again 10 to the power 1, 10 units, then 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 7. Okay, I'm done. Right? 10 to the power 8, 10 to the power 9, 10 to the power 10. See how many units, how many small units we need, right? Okay, but suppose I'm a very smart person, right? I'm not just saying I'm a smart person, right? Who knows? I might be a smart person, right? But suppose there's some smart person who have studied this logarithm. So what he'll do? Okay, what I'm going to do is instead of making it a linear scale, right? This is a linear scale, no? Right? Every unit is same, yes or no? Right? Distance
Yes,
between
sir.
these is 10 unit, again this 10 unit, again this 10 unit, again this 10 unit. So this is a linear scale, right? This is a linear scale. So instead of doing that, I'll convert it to log. Right? I'll just make log. So what's the value of this in terms of log? Can I say 10 power minus 2 is basically minus 2 because log tells you the power. Hi Anna, log tells you the power of any value, right? So iska power kya hai? What is the power of this? Minus 2. What is this power? Iska power kya hai?
Minus 1.
Iska power
Minus
kya hai?
0.
0.
Iska
1.
1. Right? Iska sorry.
1.
Sorry. I did some mistake over here, right? I written 1 twice. Okay, chalo, that's it. 2.
2.
Then 3,
3.
4,
3.
5,
4.
6,
6.
7,
7.
8,
8. 9. 10.
10. Now, any number, anything which is between 10 to the power minus 2, right? Itna chota, say like a 10 to the power 10, which is itna bada, can be written just with the scale of minus 2 to 10 if you convert this into logarithms. Yes or no? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is your logarithmic scale. Linear means same रहेगा ना शिवांश. Linear मतलब क्या होता है? Same रहेगा. स्केल में सारा यूनिट सेम रहता है ना, हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir. 1 to
ठीक है,
50.
राइट नाउ ये कहीं कहीं देखा है, कहीं यूज किया है? टेल मी, कहीं ऐसा कुछ देखा है?
No, sir.
No.
No,
How
sir.
many of you have like a sound system, like your you know, volume button, right? Speaker or jukebox or something like that, right? Sony Bravia, right? Anyone having this sound system? Tell me, anyone, right? Speakers, right? So have you seen the volume button? Tell me, have you seen the volume button like this?
Yes, sir.
Right? So have you ever observed that if you rotate at start from here to here, the volume will increase slowly. The volume will increase slowly. But if you rotate further, it will increase at a much faster rate. Ayana, how many of you observed this? Have you ever observed this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Snob or not, you guys just use this remote, right? Increase the volume, decrease the volume. Okay, but when you talk about this volume knob, okay, so earlier when they had this volume knob, okay, when you turn the volume, right, so when you turn it from 0, it will start slowly, right, but then again after some time it starts, yes, in car, right, it increases at a much faster rate. Hi Anna, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because when you talk about the loudness, right, when you talk about the loudness, okay, right, it increases very fast, so it is measured with log, right, is measured in log unit, measured using log, using this logarithmic scale. ठीक है, समझ में आया? And again there are many applications, right? ठीक है, but this is just one such application that we have seen, everyone have used, we didn't know but we have used. Fan regulators, yes, it might be, ठीक है, it might be not logarithmic but it might be linear, non-linear. Okay, चलो, ये सबको समझ में आ गया? Everyone got this? Yes,
Yes, sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it is, again, it is the usage where it is used. Now let's think about something. भाई ये तो हो गया. Let's talk about the power. Let's revisit the concept of class 7th minutes. देखते कितने लोगों को याद है, and how many of you can recollect the concept and use it, apply, right? So if I ask you, okay, boss, if I'm saying 8 power x into 8 power y, what is it? Tell me what this can be written. Tell me.
Sir,
8 power x into 8
Sir,
power y.
8
8 to
X
the power
plus
8
Y.
to the power x
Sir,
plus
8 to
1.
the power of x plus 1.
Agree? Everyone knows that? सबको
Yes,
आता है.
sir.
Very good. सब genius
Yes,
है भाई.
sir.
Everyone is intelligent. Very good. Right? See? है ना? 8 by x plus y. Very good. Now, my question is, if I'm saying 8 by x is equal to w, so इसमें power क्या है? What is the power in this? Tell me, what is the power in this?
X.
X.
So can I say, sir, x is equal to log w base a? हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if I'm saying 8 power y is equal to v, what is y?
Power.
Y
Log.
is power.
Value of log.
Log v base a. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Sir.
कितने लोगों को ये समझ में आता है, कितने लोग यूज कर सकते हैं, राइट, है ना? So if I ask you what's the value of log u, sorry, w, my bad, log w into v, tell me what is this? सोचो, बताओ, let's see, सोचो, do not speak message, let's see how many of you can figure it out. What is the value of log base a w into u, w into v? Everyone think and tell me. I'm not going to tell you right away because you have to think, right? है ना? Tell me. No Samar, in terms of log, I'm saying. Okay. No Ragvi, no Pranjan, no Shivansh. See, that is the thing, right? Application. That is why, Gauss, that is what I've written, Gauss, right? Log W into V by A. Very good, Rohan, correct. Yes, Rohan, correct. But correct. No Varun, no Amrit, Shivansh, no. This is not equal to 1, na? No Anvita, no, no Shreya. Think. That is a thing, right? Anna, even the easiest thing can be thought-provoking. No Tejas, no Nishka. Think about it. I'm not saying you the answer. Just tell me what do you think the answer would be? If you understood the concept of log, right? You should give the correct answer. So only one student have understood the concept of log. Gauss, no Gauss, that is the question, no log. And again, Gauss, x and y are the powers, right? Which is the value. Okay, x and y are the powers. Ask yourself very basic problem. Sir, what is the value? What is log? Tell me, log kiska value deta hai? Tell me, log kiska value deta hai?
Power of
Power ka, right? Yes or no? Right? What's the answer, Mohil? No, Sanvi, wrong. No, no, Mohil, that's wrong. Tell me. Tell me. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Okay. Apologies, everyone. Right. Someone was messaging me like quite frequently. That's why. Right. I just had to respond. Okay. Like you guys, some people just keep on messaging. No, Amrit, that's wrong. Okay. Ab dekho. That's why I asked you. Everyone, think about it. What is this? Tell me. Answer is just in front of you. Answer is just in front of you. Okay. सोचो एक बार. Think about it. Only one person gave the correct answer. What is this? Tell me, what is this? This is W into V. Hi, Anna. This is W into V. Right? Agree? So what is the power over here? What is the power of this term? What is the power of this term? Tell me. What is the power of this term?
X plus Y.
X plus Y.
Yes, it is not X into Y. No, it is not X into Y. It is X plus Y. Yes or no? Got it? Everyone got it? Very good, boss. Correct. But I think you made mistake in writing the answer. It is X plus Y. No, think about it. If you multiply these two, the power is X plus Y. हाँ या ना, ये समझ में आ सबको हाथ डालो. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? This everyone understood or not? Because log gives the value of power, na. Shivansh, I have considered 8 by X as W, ना. ये तो मैंने मान लिया ना, है कि नहीं? Right? Shivansh, I have written it as W, right? It is the statement, is the problem. Okay. Okay, and I have considered 8 by Y as W. Sorry, V. So this is W into V. So power of this, power of this, and this is equal to this. So what is the power of this? Okay? Hi, Anna. Shafan, X is the power. X is the power, right? What's the meaning of power of X? X is the power, na? Hi, Anna, think about it. Right? और चलो ठीक है, मैं तुमसे ही पूछ रहा हूँ. 8 power X plus Y is equal to suppose Z. Tell me, इसको कैसे लिखोगे? थिंक अबाउट इट, इसको कैसे लिखोगे?
Sir, x plus y log z base a.
Exactly, x plus y is equal to log z base a. हाँ या ना? Yes or no?
Sir,
Right?
Sir.
And what is z? Tell me, what is z? यहाँ से देखो, what is z? What is z? I told you this is z. What is z? Z is equal to w into v ना? Yes or no? हाँ या ना? Right? So z is w into v. So this is log w into v. है कि नहीं? a समझ में आया? हाँ या ना? Everyone got till this point? Yes or no? Raise your hand.
Yes, sir.
sir.
अब समझ में आया? जो छोटा छोटा मिस्टेक, बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट, ऐसा कुछ नया था यहाँ पे? नहीं ना?
Yes, sir.
So can I write, okay, log w into v base a. What is x? Tell me, what is x? X क्या है? What is the value of x?
X,
Tell me, what is x?
X power.
नहीं, तो ये क्या है? log के टर्म में क्या है ये? Log w base a. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And what is y?
log v base a.
Base a.
Log v base a.
अब समझ में आया तुम लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Pranjan, what you want to explain? What do you want me to explain again? Tell me. ठीक है? I'll give you example. मैं एक example से बात कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? Right? Then again I'll come to this. So this is first property. Property 1. So let's see one example. ठीक है? Let's see one example. Okay. So I'm having this. Log 2 into 3 base 10. Right? Log 2 into 3 base 10. है ना? Right? So tell me, if this is x, log 2 into 3 base 10 can be written as, tell me, log 2 base 10 plus log 3 base 10, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Using
3
this
base
property,
10.
using this property, this is example. Okay, clear everyone? Yes or no? Hi Anna. Ranjan?
Clear.
Ranjan, you're getting any doubt, Ranjan, now? Tell me. Clear? Okay, है ना? Right? So this is a property. खुद सोचो ना, खुद सोचो भाई, इसका जो पावर है वो x प्लस वाई है और इसका पावर क्या है? सेम x और y है. तो अगर ये मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो पावर तो x प्लस वाई रहेगा ना. पावर इज x प्लस वाई ओनली एंड x कैन बी रिटन एज log w base a plus log v base a, right? So it is equal, right? Got it? First property.
Yes, sir.
Anyone?
Clear, sir.
ठीक है. So let's see how many of you can think about second property, right? Property 2. ठीक है, देखता हूं कौन अपने से प्रॉपर्टी 2 सोच पाता है. If I'm having 8 power x by 8 power y, what it is, guys? Tell me what it is.
A x minus y.
Ax
A to the power x minus 1.
Exactly.
Yes, minus y.
बताइए सबको आता है ये? Tell me, everyone know this?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone know this, right? So, okay. Wait, guys, just give me a minute. Right? Class 8, they are messaging me. Okay, right? About the link and all classes, right? Today was Ashish's class. I don't know why. Okay, चलो ठीक है. सबको समझ में आई है, right? Everyone got this? Yes or no? ये सबको clear है? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's think about it. Suppose I will write it like this: 8 by x u, right? So what is x, guys? What is x? Log
Sir, log U.
exactly. And 8 by y is equal to v. Then what is y?
Sir, log
Log V
B by
base
A.
A.
ठीक है? It's not by its base. ठीक है? So what can you write like this? Log u by v, u divided by v. This is divided. Base a is equal to what? सोचो बताओ, सोचो बताओ. Think. Everyone think. सोचो. Now you should answer, right? Now you should answer this.
Log log x by v base a.
No. Shivansh correct. Samarth correct.
Log U by A minus log B by A.
Very good, very good. Shreya correct. Goss correct. Varsha correct, right? So this is x minus y, है ना? चलो, very good. At least तुम लोगों ने सीख लिया x minus y, है ना? Because power, ये power हो गया. This is u by v. U by v, है ना? This is equal to 8 power x minus y. So log of this base a will give you this x minus y, and x is equal to log u base a minus y is log v base a. सबको क्लियर हो गया ये? हाँ ना? क्लियर? I guess this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why? It is base. ध्यान दो, it is base. It is not by, right? U base a, v base a. ठीक है? चलो. So property 2 is same as property 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll resume property 2. So property 2, see, it is same as property 1, right? When you talk about the properties of exponents and radicals, we have this property, which is 8 power x by 8 power y is equal to 8 power x minus y. So the power over here is what? X minus y, right? So if I'm saying that 8 by x is equal to u, I'm considering this, I'm imagining this for the sake of simplicity, right? And 8 by y is v. So this term can be written as u by v. Now think about it, right? What is x minus y? X minus y is the power. So if you convert it to log, you will get this, na? Hayana.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then, yes, you have to make the new foundation book, right? Foundation 1 book should be separate. Okay, foundation is separate, na? Okay, right? Now, individually, I know that 8 by x is u. So x is equal to log u base a. 8 by y is v. So y is log v base a, right? Just put the value of x and y over here. That's it. That's property 2. Okay. Let's see property 3. Let's see how many of you can solve property 3. I am not going to tell you property 3. Right? I'm not going to tell you. You just have to figure it out. What's the value of log x squared base a? Tell me. Figure it out. Figure it out yourself. Everyone. What's the value? Figure it out. Think about it. Let's see who can figure it out. It's easy. It's easy actually. It is, if you remember the concept, if you understood the concept that we studied, right? Property 1, property 2, you should be able to solve it also. Tell me, Varsha. No, Raghavi. No. No, Adarsh. How can it will be just 2, right? You cannot just, right, remove this log x base a, right? That is something wrong to do, right? Yes,
Sir, can you
Varsha.
repeat?
Yeah. No, why? Where? Why?
Sir, can I say, sir?
Yes.
Sir, log x by x base a plus log x by a base a.
Very good. Correct. Exactly. Right? Anna. So what is this? This is basically log x into x base a. Yes or no? Common sense, right? That is not so common. Why we are studying these things? Because common sense. See, difficult, is not the problem. Difficult is the intuition, is to gain this intuition, right? Okay, so it is what? Log x base a plus log x base a. Using property, tell me. Using property 1.
Square.
What is 1 apple plus 1 apple? 1 apple plus 1 apple is equal to how many apple?
2.
2 apple.
2 apple, right? Yes or no? Easy,
Yes,
right? So this plus this is equal to what? 2 log x base a. Yes or no? हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Easy है कि नहीं? बताओ. Common sense. Easy था कि नहीं?
Yes, sir. Easy था.
Right? अगर मैं तुमसे पूछूं, ठीक है, बताओ. What is log x to power 3 base a? Then
Log x base a plus log x base a plus log x.
you can just say the direct answer, no? Like obviously to log. So it will be directly, it can be written as
3 log
Sir,
x.
3 log x base a.
very good, very good.
Log
See,
x base.
what about this log x to power n base a?
N log base x.
N log base
N log
x base a.
n log x base a. हाँ या ना? सबको समझ में आया ये?
हाँ, sir.
Everyone got this? This is property 3. सबको समझ में आ गया यहाँ तक? Yes or no? Raise your hand if everyone got
Yes,
this.
sir.
हाथ डालो. If anyone who didn't get it, let me know. पीयूष, ये समझ में आ रहा है पीयूष?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now everyone got this? हाँ या ना? There are 6, 7 properties, but we will hold it till here. We will solve some problems now. ठीक है. Let's see how many we can solve. Now, as someone asked that, how can we find the value? So there are some values which we already know. For example, log 2 base 10. This value is, we already know, it is 0.3. We already know this value. This is the value of log 2 base 3. In the same way, log 3 base 10 is 0.47. Okay, so I'm giving you these two values. This is fixed value, right? These you can remember. Log 2 base 10 is 0.3. Log 3 base 10 is 0.47. Okay. Okay, right? Now, why I will ask you some problem, right? I want you to solve it. That's why I'm giving you this value. Okay, Anvita, don't worry, I'll teach today only, right? Okay. First, let's solve this problem. Let's solve this problem. Let's see how can you use the properties and solve this problem. So question is this: find the value. Question 1. This is question 1. Okay, let's see. Let's see
Sir,
how
should
many.
we write it in notebook?
Yeah, you can write it in notebook, right? Tell me, find the value. Log 16 into 9 base 10 is equal to what? Everyone, take your time, it's fine, right? And tell me. No, Amrit, that's wrong. No, Anvita, that's wrong. So let's see, let's solve, right? Step by step. So it is log 16 into 9. So first use property 1. Use property 1. First property 1. Property 1, after using property 1, I can write like this: log 16 base 10 plus log 9 base 10. Yes or no? Hi, Anna. This everyone have done, right? This everyone did, right? No, Gauss, that is wrong, no, Gauss. You cannot just add them, right, Gauss? Anna, you cannot just add this. That is pop, right? That is wrong. Okay, right, Gauss? If you do any mistake, make conceptual mistake.
Okay, sir.
Shafan, that is the value of 0.3. That is the value. Why you are putting log? Now, this can be written as log 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4 base 10 plus 9 can be written as log 3 to the power 2 base 10. Yes or no? Everyone got till this step? No, Raghavi, that's wrong. Samarth wrong. Sanvi wrong. Right? Okay, think about it. Till step 1, step 2. Everyone got till step 1, step 2. Step 1, step 2. Everyone got step 1, step 2. Right? Anyone have any doubt in
Yes, sir.
step 1, step 2? No? Clear? Crystal clear? Easy? Now, which property to use? Tell me, which property to use now? Which property I can use over here? Tell me, which property?
The third property.
Third property,
Third
yeah,
property.
very good. So can I write it like this? 4 log 2 base 10 plus this is 2 log 3 base 10. Now, will you get the answer in next step? Tell me. Will you get the answer in next step? Hi, Anna.
No, sir.
What's the value of log 2 base 10?
0.3.
0.3.
0.3.
What's the value of log 3 base 10?
0.47.
0.47.
0.47.
Right, very good. So can I say, so it is 4 into 0.3 plus 2 into 0.47. Yes or no? Hi, Anna.
Yes, sir.
So it is what? 1.2. No, Shivans, 1.2. 4 into 0.3 is 1.2 plus this is 0.94. Yes or no? 0.94, right? So if you add them, you will get what? Tell me. 0.94 plus 1.2. 2.14.
1.4.
Answer. Yes or no? Hi, Anna. Everyone. Take
Yes, sir.
a time. Take 2-3 minutes. Try to understand this. Try to write it down. But everyone should understand the concept. Yes or no? Yes or no? Everyone should understand the concept. Take your time. Take your time. Okay? Anyone have any doubt? ठीक है, चलो, very good. मैं तो थक गया. Right? चलो, ठीक है? So this is clear. Everyone is clear. Now, shall we solve one more problem? Tell me. एक और problem करें?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. After seeing the solution, do you think that this is a very difficult problem?
No, sir.
Right?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Varsha is saying yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, right? Yes? Sir, question तो difficult नहीं होता है sir. वो तो answer difficult होता है. Yes or no? Question तो simple है sir. Answer difficult लगता है. Right? Okay. चलो एक और सवाल करते हैं. Okay. Don't think ना, don't think ये hard है, right? Because you're not going to give any test. तुमको कोई prize नहीं देने वाला है, right? It is just for your own learning, right? It is just to sharpen your mind, है ना? These all are to sharpen your mind. Now think about it. तुमको हर प्रॉब्लम में सोचना पड़ रहा है कि नहीं कि भाई क्या करेंगे, अप्लाई क्या करेंगे, अप्लाई करेंगे, right? So this is, don't you think
Yes,
this is
sir.
different from what you have been studying till now, right?
Yes,
I'm not
sir.
talking about the content. I'm talking about the approach, है ना? अब जैसे देखो, अगर तुमसे मैं पूछूं, right? Okay, I have decided one problem to ask, but at the end of the class. So I will continue with next property first. ठीक है? Property 4. 4. Now tell me if I'm having this 8 power x is equal to b. 8 power x is equal to b. So can I say, sir, this can be written as b to the power 1 by x is equal to a? Yes or no? Ayana.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shafan, there will be test of foundation, right? In which no one can score 90%. Forget about scoring 90%. You guys are very happy, na? Scoring 90%, 85%, right? Okay. Foundation test, foundation class will give you least significant. Okay. Tejas, I'll just send you the PDF. Don't worry. Okay. No, again, it is a power, Akash. It is power, right? So it is b to the power 1 by x. So b to the power minus x. Yes, b to the power minus x, right? So see, this is a property. I say that, can I say 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4 as 4 to the power 1 by 2 is equal to 2? Hi, Anna. Exponential radicals mein we have studied this property. Yes or no? Hi, Anna. Raise your hand.
Yes, sir.
Right? If not, then this is a property. ये होता है ना? ठीक है? What is this called? Square root. I hope 8 सबने पास किया है ना? 8 सबने पास किया है? कोई फर्जीवाड़ा
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
किया ना?
हाँ sir.
Right? 8 किया है? ठीक है? Right? Square roots. ठीक है? Okay. Now think about it. Think about it. Right? Take this. I'll take this. 8 power x is equal to b. What is x, guys? Tell me, what is x? What is x?
Power.
In terms of log, no? In terms of log. Tell me. X is
Log b base a.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are taking b to the power 1 by x is equal to a. Then this is power. 1 by x is the power. 1 by x is equal to what?
Log a base b.
A base b. Yes or no? Clear? यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Crystal clear? Anyone is having any doubt till this point?
No sir, no doubt.
Yes.
No doubt? Okay. So see, can I say, okay, it is x, it is 1 by x. Can I just substitute the value of x over here? Can I substitute the value of x over here? Can I just put the value of x from this point to this point?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So log a base b, can I write like this? 1 by, why not, Amrit? Why not? This is x, no? Log b base a. Yes or no? 1 by x is this, x is this. Just put it over here, no? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Yes or no? I'll take one example. Log 2 base 10, right, is equal to 1 by log 10 base 2, right? This is example. This is a property 4. Okay, clear everyone? Yes or no? Anyone have any doubt in property 4? Okay, Shafan, I'll repeat, right? So see, here I'm having, I'll just write property 4 over here. Okay, property 4, right? So I'm having this 8 power x is equal to b, right? 8 power x is equal to b. So I can convert 8 power x into b into this, right? Which is b to power 1 by x is equal to a. ये सबको समझ में आया कि नहीं? Everyone got this? Raise your hand. Everyone got this? Yes or no? That is the basic concept. Okay. Then what I did, I just took log for both, right? If I'm taking log for 8 power x, so x is equal to log b by a. And here, if I'm taking log, the power is 1 by x. So 1 by x is equal to log a base b. Right? Now, since x is equal to this, I just put the value of x over here, which is log b base a. So this is called as base change formula. See, base is changed, right? Base is changed. Yes or no? Right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Shafan, clear? Everyone? Tell me, Shafan.
Yes sir.
Clear, sir.
ठीक है, Gauss, Anvit, Nishka, Sanvi, Akash,
Yes sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
Jan, Tejas,
Yes,
Rohit,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Acha, Amrita. ठीक है, everyone. Now,
Yes, sir.
So this is fourth property. Fifth property, property 5. Now this again, now here it is bit complex, right? Not as easy as the first four property. First four properties were simple, straightforward, easy, है ना? So this is not that easy, right? So let's see. Let's see what is this property. Suppose I'm having this log a base b. I'll just write the property first, okay? Then we will figure it out, right? This I won't ask you to do this. I'll solve and you just focus, right? So this log a base b, it can be written as log a base anything. So I'll write c. C is anything divided by log b base anything, right? So this is the property. I'll tell you how. Don't worry. I'll tell you how. Okay, right? But this is property. And now let's think how. Sir, how it is possible, sir? So let's think, right? Let's take example. Okay, let's take an example. So let's take log 8 power c is equal to u. Okay. So what is, guys, what is a? Tell me, what is a? Batao, what?
Value.
Final
A
value.
u to power c. Sorry, c to power u. C to power u, yes or no? Yes or no? Anyone have any doubt till this point? I've just written
No
two
doubt.
steps. Just written 2 steps. ठीक
No,
है?
sir.
Okay. And consider, I'll just change the color. Consider log b base c as w. So can I say, so b is equal to c to power w? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any doubt till this point? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt till this point? Now, यहाँ पे concept है, ठीक है? Okay. Now, what I need to find? I need to find this. My guys, tell me. I need to find this. I need to convert this into this form. This form. Can you see C over here? यहाँ पे C दिख रहा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Can you see C over here?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, right? Which means I have to eliminate C from these two. Yes or no? I have to eliminate C from these two. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How to do that? Ask yourself, right? Whenever you talk about any problem which is thought-provoking, you should ask, how I do that? How should I do that? So can I say, okay, sir, I'll use this concept. C is equal to 8 to the power 1 by u. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any doubt in this? Raise your hand. Anyone have any doubt in this? Raise your hand. Tell me. Tell me. Anyone have any doubt in
So we
this?
can also write as A equals to C raised to U.
A is equal to C raised to u. It is
Sir,
also it is already written. Na? A is equal to C for u. Right? It is
In
already
the
written. No, it is
equation I
already
am telling.
where? Here. Here you're
Sir,
saying.
LHS.
You're saying here, kya?
Sir, in right hand side.
This side, na? Or this side?
Left, sorry. Left hand side. That means log C raised to U base C raised to W.
Again, right? You won't get anything, na? Right? Tell me, you won't get anything, right? I want to prove it. No, I want to prove it, right? That is my concept. Okay. Right? So, see, what I'm saying is I consider log A base C as U and log B base C as W. So if I convert into exponent form, I can write A is equal to A value is equal to C to power U, C to power U, right? And B is equal to C to power W. This is clear. Step 1, step 2 is clear. Now, again, using the power of exponents, Okay, Kirti, using the power of exponents, C can be written as U We'll go this side. So C is equal to 8 power 1 by U. Hi Anna. Hi Anna. Or you can just write, and from here, C is equal to B to the power 1 by W.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Okay, anyone have any doubt till this point?
Sir, I'm not understanding, sir, property 5.
It's which step? Which step? Tell me.
Sir, that from A by C is equal to U.
A by C. Again, this is I have assumed log A base C is equal to U. I have assumed, right? ये हम लोगों ने मान लिया है कि ये U है. This I have assumed. Okay. This I have assumed. You have joined from very start, or you joined
Yes, sir.
in between? So
No,
do
sir.
you get this, that 8 power x is equal to what?
Yes, sir.
Do you get this, that 8 power x equal to b is written as x is equal to log? Tell me, b base है, ये समझ में आया?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
what is C?
C is a base ना, C is any random variable, C is any random variable, कुछ भी हम लोग मान लिया है, ये दिया हुआ है, ये हमने माना है, ठीक है, राइट? हमने माना है, ऐसे मेरा नाम विष्णु है, हमने मान लिया, ऐसे ही हमने एक वैल्यू मान ली कि अगर log a बेस c की वैल्यू u है, मान लिया मैंने, मुझे ये प्रूफ करना है ना, ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? log a बेस c इज इक्वल टू u मैंने मान लिया, ये u होता है, ये वैल्यू नहीं, ये वेरिएबल है ना, u a c इज वेरिएबल, राइट? है ना, तो हमने मान लिया है, समझ में आ रहा है?
Sir,
Tell me.
Sir, why we have divided?
What?
Sir, why we have divided them? Why can't we multiply them?
No, this is property, this is property, ये होता है. What is 5 plus 2? What is 5 plus 2?
7.
7. ये होता है ना भाई, 7 ये होता है, right? In the same way, this is a property, log a base b is equal to log a base anything. This can be anything, c, 10, कुछ भी, by log b base c. ये होता है, this is a property, and we are proving this property. As I told you, this property, the explanation of this property is bit difficult. सोचना पड़ता है थोड़ा सा, है ना? तो सोचो, right? नहीं समझ में आया पूछो, ये सबको समझ में आया? यहाँ
Yes,
समझ
sir.
में आया? I'll just rub it and I will solve again. Kirti, you're getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll just take example. ठीक है, I'll just take example. Right? I'll just take example, guys. ठीक है, मैं पहले number से करता हूँ. Log 4 base 5 is equal to log 4 base 10 by log 5 base 10. ये property है. This is property, right? This is property. Okay, and I'll show you how this is true. ठीक है, clear है? मैंने नंबर ले लिया, नंबर ज्यादा शायद समझ में आता है. ओके
Okay, sir.
तो आई एम सेइंग, ठीक है, log 4 बेस 10 को क्या मान लो, x मान लो. मान सकता हूँ कि नहीं मान सकता हूँ? टेल मी, हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर.
और log 5 बेस 10 को y मान लो. मान सकता हूँ कि नहीं मान सकता हूँ?
Yes, sir.
सर.
है ना? तो यहाँ पे मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि सर 4 is equal to 10 to the power x.
Yes, sir.
हाँ या ना? सबको समझो.
10 is
तो
equal to
5 is
4 by
equal
x.
to
yes, sir.
10 power y.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ये
sir.
चीज़ यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any doubt till this point? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt till this point?
No, sir.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
doubts.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very good. So here, can I write like this? Right? 10 is equal to, अब power जो है ना? Property use करेंगे, 8 to power x is equal to b. So a is equal to b to power 1 by x. ये property याद है? याद है property?
Yes, sir.
So can I write that it
Yes,
is
sir.
1 by x? Yes or no? 4 is equal to 10 power x. So 10 is equal to 4 to the power 1 by x.
Yes, sir.
In the same way, here, can I write 10 is equal to 5 to the power 1 by y?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ तक में से दिक्कत है, हाथ चालो, यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ रहा है, हाथ चालो. Tell me, this is the last concept. इसके बाद एक problem जो सोचना है, अपने सोचना है. Okay, now 10 और 10 इक्वल होता है कि नहीं? बताओ, 10 और 10 इक्वल होता है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir. Equals.
इक्वल होता है ना.
Yes.
So we say 4 to the power 1 by x is equal to 5 to the power 1 by y.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So can I write like this? Can I write, so it is equal to 4 is equal to 5 to the power x by y? Because it is a property, again, exponential radical. ये अगर नहीं समझ में आया ना, तो exponential radical a to the power 1 by x is equal to b to the power 1 by y. दोनों साइड पावर ले लेंगे किसका? x का. दोनों साइड पावर ले लेंगे x का, है ना? तो क्या हो जाएगा? a to the power x by x क्या हो जाएगा?
x square
8 by x by x, राइट? क्या हो जाएगा? 1. और ये क्या हो जाएगा? b to the power x by y. हाँ या ना? Exponent and radical का property. Take your time. I'll explain once again, right? Because I know that you guys have not understood this step, right? Most of you did not understood this, so I did not understand this step, right? So I'll explain once again. ठीक बताओ, 2 to the power 1 by 2 का whole power 2 कितना होता है? This is not the problem of exponential. 2 होता है, तो क्या करते हो? 2 power 2 by 2 करते हो, कट जाता है, 2 आता है, हाँ या ना? Tell me, yes or no?
Sir.
sir.
Nuhil, Shivansh, Amrit, Akash, everyone? Tejas, Varsha?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So here I use the same concept, ना? I use the same concept, right? ठीक है. So can I do this? A to the power 1 by x whole power x. I want power to be one side. That's why I'm doing it. तुम पूछे सर मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ? I want all the power to one side only ना, right? अगर 2 to the power 1 by 3 है और 5 to the power 1 by 2 है, so can I write it like this? 2 to the power 2 is equal to 5 to the power 3 by 2. हाँ या ना? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Like this?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, 3 by 2 should be on the RHS only, sir. It can be on 2, sir.
Yes, see, it can be, right? But again, right, think about it. यहाँ पे तुमने 3 से किया. This is the concept which is of 8. This is not the concept of this chapter, right? ठीक है. देखो, so it is what? 2 to the power 3 by 3. And this is 5 to the power 1 by 2 into 3. So this, so 3 by 3 cut के 2 हो गया ना? But if instead of 3, you would have multiplied by 2. Instead of 3, you would have multiplied by 2. Then tell me, what would have happened?
Sir, 2 to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to 5.
Exactly. Make sense? हाँ या ना? समझ में आया सबको? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अब
Yes,
समझ
sir.
में, ये कौन सा समझ में आया सबको?
Yes, sir.
Right? So this everyone understood. This everyone understood. हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Anyone? ठीक है? श्रेया, सानवी, शिवांश, शिरीषा,
Yes, sir.
दीक्षा, पीयूष, बॉस, वरुण, अन्विता,
Sir, can
आकाश.
you explain?
Which step? Tell me which step. Tell me. एक बार अपने से लिखते रहो तो समझ आएगा, right? When I'm teaching na, write it down along with me, right? Then you will get it better idea. So I'll just explain once again. So here I've taken log 4 base 10 as x, log 5 base 10 as y. I assumed it, right? X and y कुछ है नहीं, मैंने माना है. So 4 is equal to 10 to the power x using the property, है ना? And 5 is equal to 10 to the power y. Yes, yes, obviously. Then 4 to the power, if 10 are equal, so 4 to the power 1 by x is equal to 5 to the power 1 by y. So I can just multiply it or take power as x. So this will go this side. We'll get 4 is equal to 5 by x by y. Okay, right? Now take log now. Take log. What's the power over here? X by y.
X by y. X by y
Log.
is equal to x by log
This is
5 base 4.
no, base is 5 now. Base is 5, right? It is log 4
Yes,
base
sir.
5. Yes or no?
4 base.
Log
Yes, sir.
4 base 5.
Anyone have any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
And what is x? What is x? What is x?
4 by 10.
Log
Log-
4 base
Log
10.
4 by
Log
10.
4 by 10.
Base 10, base 10. And what is y?
Log 5
Log
base
5.
10.
Log 5 base.
प्रूव हो गया प्रूव, बताओ, यही प्रूफ करना था ना? हाँ या ना? This is what you have to prove, right? Think about it. This is what you have to prove, right? है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो एक बार लिख लो, इसके बाद एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन, राइट, जो मैं सोच रहा था देने का. ये सब कुछ में प्रॉपर्टी 4 सबको समझ में आ गया? सॉरी, प्रॉपर्टी 5 है ना ये? प्रॉपर्टी 5. The property 5, as I told you, it is
Sir,
difficult. हाँ बोलो.
sir, will you send the notes, sir?
Yes, I'll send the notes. Don't worry.
Sir, I have a
Thank
doubt.
you, sir.
Yes. Someone is asking some doubt.
Sir, is there a way to start from the LHS and then reach the RHS?
Yes, you can do that, right? Okay, but for that, right, you have to assume, again, you have to assume some variable, you have to insert some variable. That would be difficult, that would be more difficult, right? Because here you already have 10 and you are eliminating 10, right? But if you start from LHS, you will not be having any random variable, you have to insert it. समझ में आया?
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's why it is easier to start from RHS. ठीक है, right? So I'll just show you one more problem, right? You just use this property. Log 3 base 2 can be written as log 3. Base can be anything. Trust me, base can be anything. Aloo, pyaz, tomato, mango. It can be anything. Doesn't matter. It need not to be 10. It can be like 5. Log 2 base 5 because it is eliminated now. So base can be anything, but generally we will take 10. Generally we take 10. Okay. Right? So can you find this value? Tell me, can you find this value? Log 3 base 2. है ना? Log 3 base 10 is 0.47 and log 2 base 10 is 0.3. Answer yes or no? Tell me. हाँ है ना?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, शिवांश अब समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
पीयूष, log 10 का ही वैल्यू मुझे पता है, समझ में आया? Right? That's why we generally take 10. जरूरी नहीं है, but वैल्यू मुझे log 10 का ही पता है ना? बेस 10 रहेगा तभी मुझे वैल्यू पता है, अदरवाइज मुझे वैल्यू नहीं पता है, राइट? ठीक है, okay. So last question of today's class, last question.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes,
Sir, in that property 5, at one step we took 4 equals to 5 raised to x by y. So what if we will do the other way? That means 4 raised to x, y by x equals to 5. Then we will get the inverted answer, no?
again na, then you will get log 5 base 4 is equal to log 5 base 10 by log 4 base 10. Okay, means you're saying this, na, log, you will get this log 5 base 4 is equal to log 5 base 10 by log 4 base 10. Okay? So this will also get inverted, na? Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay? So doesn't matter whatever you do, you will get the correct answer. Okay? Okay, that is not the problem. So let's see how many of you can find it. I'm giving you this problem as a homework, right?
Okay.
Find the number of digit. You should not Google a digit in 10 to the power 64. Okay, 10 to the power 64, right? If I'm having a number 10 to the power 64, how many digits, right, will be there in this number? Sorry. This is very easy. Sorry, not 10 to the power 64. My bad. 2 to the power 64. 2 to the power 64, right? 10 to the power 64 is 64 only, na? Right? No, 10 to the power 64 is 65 digit. Yes, 65 zeros and 1. 65 digits. Sorry. Obviously, I would not give that easy question, right? 2 to the power 64. Okay, 2 to the power 64. Right? No one should ask your brother, sister, mummy, papa, no one. Right? Everything you need to solve is in the notes. Whatever we study today, it is there. No one should ask your brother, try by yourself. Okay? Right? You have to find it. That's the application. That is the application. Okay. Right? It is, again, it is not that difficult. It is easy actually. That is not difficult. That is actually easy. Okay. That is actually easy. Hint, I'll give you a hint. Okay, chalo, I'll give you a hint. Hint is log 2 base 10 is equal to 0.3. This is the hint, right? Now try by yourself. Okay, try by yourself. So will you try now or will you try at home? Tell me. Anyone can try now?
Sir,
Now, sir.
Home. Shrisha is trying now. Okay. Your name is Shrisha, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, 19 digit wrong. Shafan wrong. Nineteen digit. Wait, let me check. 19 digit. It might be right. Do not use calculator. Do not use calculator. Do not ask anyone. Do not Google. How come you are getting 19? You guys are Googling or what? Huh? It is not so easy, right? How? I'm asking you how to solve it, right? Mohil, number of digit is always integer, na Mohil? Number of digit is always integer. Okay. So you are almost on the right path. If you're doing what I'm thinking, then you're almost at right path. Tell me. It is easy. Actually, this problem is easy. This problem is not difficult. Very good, Varun. Okay, most of you got it, right? Yes. Varsha, tell me what's the answer? Prajna? Tejas? Shreya? Sangvi? No,
sir,
wrong.
19.
Safan, wrong. Again, 19 is not the answer, by the way. Okay, 19 is not the answer, right? To break to you, even though it is, right? 19 is not the answer. Shivansh, you're not getting? No, Piyush? Okay, yes, Piyush, correct. Yes, that is correct, Piyush. That is all you have to do. Okay. So see, now use this. I'll tell you how to solve this, right? Varsha, you got it?
Sir.
Samarth, correct. Varun, correct. Now Samarth and Varun gave the correct answer. I two students gave the correct answer. Think about it. How easy this is. Can I say that, sir, 2 is equal to 10 power 0.3? Yes or no? Hi, Anna. Think about it. Yes or no? See how easy it is. 3 steps. 3 steps. Yes, Shafan, 20 is correct. Yes or no? This is easy. This step is easy. Yes or no? Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can I say that 2 to the power 64 is basically 10 to the power 0.3 whole power 64. Hi, Anna. Yes or no? Yes or no? See how easy this is.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? So can I say, okay, sir. Now, 10 to the power 0.3 into 64. What is 0.3 into 64? What is 0.3 into 64?
1.92, sir.
1.92, right? So 19.2, no, actually, it is 19.2. 10 to the power 19.2. Hi, Anna. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, did I tell you to know, remember this concept? If anything is lying between 10 to the power n and 10 to the power n plus 1, number of digit will be? Tell me,
N
number
plus
of
1.
digit
N plus
N
1.
plus 1.
plus
Yeah,
1.
10 plus 1.
So 10 to the power 19.2 lies between which two number? Which two multiple of 10?
20 and
20 and
20.
19.
20 and 19.
19 and 20.
So number of digits should be?
20.
अब बताओ
20.
20.
अब बताओ आंसर देखने के बाद इजी लगा कि सर इतना कुछ नहीं था, लॉग तो यूज ही नहीं करना पड़ा हमको. Yes or no? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But if
Yes, sir.
the thinking at the start is what it was like, सर क्या करना है समझ में नहीं आ रहा है ना? Okay, so I hope all of you enjoyed today's class. सीखा कुछ? हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? अगर किसी को कुछ नहीं समझ में आया है, I'll send you notes, go through it. Next class में पूछ लेना. Next class में I'll start with revision only. ठीक है? पहले revision करूँगा, अब new topic.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and I'll
Thank you,
send the
sir.
time also. Okay?
Okay,
Chalo,
sir.
bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye
Bye,
bye.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.